Now we are solving the question number 3rd of exercise 4.3. Solve the following equations. In A part you are given the equation and there is variable in right hand side. First we have solved in question number 2 we have solved the question in which there are variables on left hand side. Okay, so how to solve this? Same by the using same method. 4 is equal to, first of all we will solve this equation. We are to separate this first. 5 is multiplied with 2 and p, and 5 is also multiplied with p here, 2 whole here. Okay, 4 is equal to 5p minus 5 to the 10. Again, now we'll solve, we'll take 5p on लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. अब की बार आपको 5p को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसपोज करना है, बिकॉज हम जो वेरिएबल फाइंड आउट करना है उसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रखेंगे. एंड वेरिएबल कंटेनिंग टर्म कौन सी है? 5p. सो 5p को जब आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेके आएंगे इट विल बिकम negative because here it is positive. Whenever we are transposing any number, its sign will be changed. So, okay, and 4 is transposing on right hand side. 4 will be negative in this side, minus 4. So minus 5p is equal to minus 10 minus 4, it will be equal to minus 14 because दोनों का sign same है. So we will add both these numbers and the sign will be the same. Minus 5 is multiplied with p here. Now we are to find out the value of p only, so take it in, transpose it in right hand side. Minus 14 यहाँ पे ये डिविजन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, it will be in division on right hand side. Negative to negative cancel and p is equal to 14 by 5. Now solving this b part, minus 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2 and p is multiplied with the whole equation. Again minus 4 is equal to 5 multiply p. Solving this first, minus 5 multiply 2, minus 4 is equal to 5 multiply p is equal to 5p, minus 5 to the 10. Again solving 5p लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एंड माइनस 4 राइट हैंड साइड. जब भी 5p को आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसपोज करेंगे इट्स साइन विल बी चेंज नेगेटिव एंड माइनस 4 विल बी पॉजिटिव प्लस 4. ओके, बिकॉज साइन चेंज हो जाता है. एंड माइनस 5p इज इक्वल टू माइनस 10 प्लस 4 minus 16 6. Minus 5 is multiplied with p. We are to find out the value of p here. So minus 5 into p is equal to 6. P is equal to minus 6 by minus 5 and p is equal to 6 by 5. So come to c part again. C part, 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. एंड नाउ सॉल्विंग दिस फर्स्ट, आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, इसको आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 16, 4 इज पॉजिटिव है, सो वाइल टेकिंग it on left hand side it will become negative 3 into t plus 2. Now we will solve this 16 12. Now solving this again, 3 into t and plus 3 into 2. 12 is equal to 3t plus 3 to the 6. Again take 6 on left hand side and 6 is positive here. While taking it left hand side it will become negative. Now 6 is equal to 3t and also 3t. Now t is equal to, and take you can change the sides because हम दोनों की साइड चेंज कर रहे हैं. 3t is equal to 6. You can also write it like this and t is in multiplication, so 3 is multiplied with t and this implies t is equal to 6 by 3. 3 to the 6. So answer is equal to t is equal to 2. Again solving d part, 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34. 4 plus, first of all हम इसको solve करेंगे, multiply with 5 and multiply with 1 also. 5 multiply p minus 5 multiply 1 is equal to 34 and 4 plus 5p, 5 1 5 is equal to 34. 4 minus 5 minus 1. 5p minus 1 is equal to 34. Now solving 34. Now solving 1 on left and right hand side. While taking 1 on right hand side, its sign will be changed. 34 minus 1 right hand side में जाके क्या हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव. 5p is equal to 35. Again 5 is multiplied with p is equal to 35, and we need to find the value of p only. 35 divided by 5 because 5 is multiplied, and while using transposing method, then 5 will be in division because always the sign changed. 5 7 ja 35, so p is equal to 7 is the answer. Again take solving p part. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. 0 is equal to 16. First of all solve this. 4 is multiplied with m and 4 is also multiplied with 6 here. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4m minus 6 4 ja 24. Now solving 4m. Take 4m on right hand side, left hand side, because we need to find out the value of variable. Variable is m and 4m is the term containing variable here. So 4m is positive here. While taking it in left hand side, it will be negative. 16 minus 24, it will be, answer is minus 8. And minus 4 is multiplied with m is equal to minus 8. M is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 4. Okay, while transposing, its sign is always changed because 4 is minus 4 is in multiplication, so in right hand side it will be in division. 4 to the 8 and negative to negative cancelled out. Value of m is equal to 2 only.